Buckle up, tech heads. Today's episode is brought to you by our overlords at Alphabet, better known as the parent company of Google. You've probably heard of them, considering their tentacles reach every corner of our digital lives. What's making headlines today? Oh, just a ton of juicy tidbits that collectively scream one thing: Google is busy redefining what it means to dominate the tech universe. First up, the elephant in the room: Alphabet's recent earnings report. Alphabet shares dipped 3.9% over the last month, a performance that lagged behind the S&P 500. But don't let that minor slip fool you into thinking the tech giant is in troubled waters. Alphabet's financials for the second quarter of 2024 are actually quite impressive. They posted earnings of $1.89 per share, beating market expectations by 2.2%. Revenue also surged with a 14% year-over-year increase, hitting a whopping $84.74 billion. Talk about bringing home the bacon. One of the major drivers of this growth is Google Cloud, which reported a staggering 28.8% year-over-year increase in revenues to $10.35 billion. That's some serious cloud money. YouTube ad revenues and Google search ads also contributed nicely, reinforcing why Google continues to be the king of digital advertising. But it's not all rainbows and unicorns. Google network ads haven't performed so well, showing a declining trend that the company is surely keen to reverse. And let's not overlook those other bets, Alphabet's investment arm for moonshot projects like self-driving cars and life extension research. These other bets have racked up a $1.13 billion loss this quarter. Maybe it's time to double-check that moonshot trajectory? Now let's paint the town AI. Alphabet is deep diving into artificial intelligence, integrating AI across its services, particularly into Google Cloud and beyond. Such investments promise stellar returns, ensuring Google not just stays relevant, but leaps ahead of competitors. Happy Googleversary. Alphabet, formerly Google, is celebrating 20 years since its highly lucrative IPO. It's been 2 decades, and they're still fast-tracking a ton of innovations, from search engines to autonomous cars, and gobbling up more than 200 companies along the way. Speaking of IPOs and investments, if you had bought Google stock at its IPO price, you'd be sitting on gains of over 6,000%. Yes, 6,000%. Millionaire. Much? And let's not forget how Big G is solving one of YouTube's ongoing issues: account hacks. From mega celebs like Justin Bieber and Eminem to popular tech creators like Linus Tech Tips, no one's been spared. Enter YouTube's new AI Chatbot. This tool is here to assist content creators in recovering their hacked accounts more efficiently. While it's not a magic wand, it's Google's way of saying, "We got your back." Sure, the tool isn't perfect, but it's a step in the right direction. Countdown to safety. Google isn't only focusing on financials and gameplay, they're also upping their cyber shield game. In collaboration with Australia's National Science Agency, Google is developing digital tools to detect and fix software vulnerabilities in critical infrastructure like hospitals and defense systems. This is part of Google's $675 million commitment to improving Australia's security landscape. And finally, let's pop the cork on a fresh partnership between Google Cloud and LumApps. They're combining brains to elevate the digital workplace experience with AI-boosted intranet solutions. It's all about enhancing employee engagement and smoother operations for businesses. So there you have it, folks. Whether it's record-breaking earnings, groundbreaking AI tools, or life-altering partnerships, Google continues to dominate every facet of modern technology. It's a wild ride, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping news from the world of tech. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.